As you have seen from the title, this video will feature a list of the latest drones and accessories on the market, making you confident and sure about what options is available and what to buy. Coming at the top of this list is the Evo Nano. With the photography drones from Autel Robotics, you may travel anywhere with your own film crew. Weighing 249 grams, the Evo Nano produces 4K videos using its 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensors. It also has an excellent f1.9 aperture and an RYYB color filter array designed to gather more light. In every situation, its 3-axis gimbal maintains the stability of your footage. The Evo Nano automatically blends shots taken at various exposures while their HDR is on to create images with a wider dynamic range. Even better, you can set your Nano to track any animal, person, or a vehicle. That way, you can focus on your hobbies while your drone takes care of the recording. After that comes Skydio 2 Plus. The Skydio 2 Plus autonomous drone is a significant upgrade over the previous generation. This new model includes Skydio keyframe, which is better in both hardware and software ways. Using this AI skill, you may create and record intricate fluid camera movements. Unlike manual drones, Skydio welcomes every newcomer to produce dynamic, fluid, and imaginative images in challenging settings. You can select your keyframes using this simple custom flight path method, which only requires a few clicks. After that, Skydio Autonomy constructs a continuous fluid camera path between them. Finally, when the keyframes are set, you can play it back, forward or backwards as many times as you want at any speed. Beyond keyframe, it also has an incredible wireless range of up to 6 kilometers. Next up is something more of an accessory to provide aid to your drone. The strobe drone light is designed to avoid collisions with other drones, providing protection in the air. Boasting a weatherproof design and a 360-degree visibility, this drone light is one you can see from more than 3 miles away. It offers 6 hours of battery life even when it's on the fast strobe mode. Flashing white, red, and green colors, you can choose from multiple light modes including a strobe speed of 1 Hz, which is 60 strobes per minute. Furthermore, it works with every drone on the market and uses a 3M dual lock technology to stay securely put wherever you want. At the 4th spot, we have the Insta360. Experience uninterrupted views with the Insta360 spare drone camera. Featuring perfectly placed lenses that are totally invisible in the resulting footage, it leaves you with professional content. The Insta360 spare allows you to never miss a shot with 360 degrees of reframing, while the flow state stabilization keeps everything smooth to remove any glitches and uneven footage. This drone camera also offers unlimited angles during movement for unique content creation. A 360-degree lens protector and a landing pad is also included with this invisible drone camera to protect the lenses and prevent the camera from scratches. The best part about the Insta360 is getting up to 5760 by 2880 video resolution and a snapshot resolution of 6080 by 3040. Next on the list is the Jineno T1. The Jineno T1 underwater drone is a consumer-grade gadget equipped with robotic arms for movement. It is great for undersea detection for viewing, recording, and fishing for up to 150 meters deep. The 1080p HD view ensures that your results are clear and high quality, while its 4K camera takes crystal clear images and videos. Finally, regardless of the situation, it hovers automatically to take stable pictures. Enjoy uninterrupted views from top to bottom with Zoe Zetona from S-Core Technologies. This powerful drone can stabilize and manage the 60-megapixel Sony a7R4 for a whopping 25 minutes. Additionally, the Zetona can be used as an inspection tool for industrial jobs with high value and high risk. The F9P L1x L2 RTK precision positions can maintain practically total stillness in the air since they work with 4 to 8 large engines. Being able to play with the settings, you get total access to camera control over the Sony a7R4. During mapping missions, the camera also automatically geotags the EXIF data of each image, optimizing workflows for both single and dual operator setups. Taking the last but one spot, we introduced the Fixar 007. Meet your commercial and industrial needs with the Fixar 007 fixed-wing drone. Ideal for drone mapping and inspections, it has an airtime of 60 minutes, which also makes it perfect for aerial imaging, surveillance, monitoring, and much more. Numerous payloads can be carried out at once for fewer flights, and the Fixar can also be fitted with a variety of sensors as well as third-party sensors. Additionally, it also has a high payload capacity of 4.4 pounds, enabling the employment of both RGB and multispectral cameras. This ensures precision and accuracy. At the last spot of this list, we have the DJI Avata. The DJI Avata raises your adrenaline as you get to experience your point of view as you fly this drone. Combining the DJI Goggles 2 and the DJI Motion Controller, it adds an extra dimension to your overall flying experience. Additionally, it works well in tight locations because of its lightweight and compact design. In fact, the drone has a built-in propeller guard to keep you in the air and can rebound even if it collides with obstacles. Additionally, the drone also supports 4K ultra-wide-angle recording with an f/2.8 aperture. Thanks to the 155-degree FOV, the drone also offers better hyper-immersive visuals than its contemporaries. So no matter what adventure you're set forth on, this FPV drone will capture every bit of your footage with quality. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then a like and a subscribe would be very much appreciated.